So my oxtail is finally finished, guys, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Look at that. Oh my days. It looks so delicious. Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some oxtail. I already have an oxtail video up, but this is a complete different one. This one I'm gonna add spinners, some dumpling. So this is my oxtail. It's already washed, it's clean. This is the amount that I have. So these are all my seasoning. So I have oxtail seasoning, and I also have all-purpose seasoning, everyday seasoning, onion powder, seasoned salt, paprika, pimento seed, and black pepper. I only have 1 teaspoonful of black pepper, but everything is 1 spoonful, and just a teaspoonful of the pimento seed. Yeah. So these are all my herbs. So here I have some garlic, some ginger, some spring onions, and some onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some fresh thyme. So first I'm gonna blend all my seasoning together. And I'm just gonna pour it on my oxtail. Just take your time and just sprinkle it all over. And I'm also gonna add some browning. So I'm gonna add around 2 spoonfuls because I don't need a lot. So that's 1, 2. You're just gonna take your hands. You can always use a gloves and just massage your oxtail. Just make sure all the seasoning is on the oxtail. Make sure everything covered with the seasoning. And these oxtail, guys, they're so thick, and I really like them because they're full of so much meat. So this is how I like my oxtail. I don't like when it's full of too much bone. And I'm gonna also add my herbs, onions, ginger, garlic, and for the thyme, I'm just gonna take my knife and just cut it up. Smells so good, guys. Smell amazing. And guys, for a better result, you can always leave your meat to marinate But true, I've got my children, sometimes it can be a bit hard. So I just cook it as it is. And I know it's going to taste delicious. But you can always leave it overnight or just for a couple of hours. It's up to you. When you have children, it's so difficult to do stuff because they make so many noise. So I have to wait until the house is quiet. So that's it, it's finished. So I add at least 2 spoonfuls of vegetable oil to my pot, and I just wait to my pot to heat up. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding my oxtail to my pot now. My stove is on medium. Just gonna take a big spoon and just give it a stir. And you're just gonna leave it, guys, to saute for at least 5 minutes, just for it to catch some color. And you don't have to cover your pot, just leave your pot uncovered for now. And my stove is on medium. So it's been 5 minutes and this is how my oxtail look, guys. So this is exactly how you want it to look, nice and brown. So now I'm gonna add some boiling water to my pot. I add 3.5 cups of boiling water, and I also leave some of my herbs left back from the same container that I use to season my oxtail. So I'm just gonna put all that water to my oxtail. So this is the cup that I had, guys. This is 1 cup. So I add 3.5 of this cup. Or should I say glass? Whatever, still the same thing, right? So just give it a stir. And I'm just gonna leave it for at least 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. And I'm gonna cover my pot also, because you want it to cook through. So see you back. So while my oxtail is cooking, I'm gonna make my dumpling, my spinners. So here I have at least half a cup of plain flour to this glass container, and I'm also gonna add just half a teaspoonful of salt. Just stir it. And here I also have a glass of cold water. So I'm just gonna add it. I'm not gonna add everything at once. Just take your time. and you're gonna need your flour. Add some more water. So this is how it should look as you go along. And if it's sticky, if it's too sticky, you can always add a bit of flour to it. And you can always use a gloves if you want to. So mine was a bit sticky, so I'm just gonna add some more flour to it. You don't need a lot. So my dough is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. So this is exactly how I want it. And here I also have some butter beans. This is 1 can of butter beans. So it's been 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna check on my oxtail. So this is what it look like, guys, just after 30 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my spinners, my dumpling to my pot. Just roll it. So now as I had my spinners, I'm just gonna take my spoon and just stir it. And I'm gonna leave it to cook, guys, for at least another 30 minutes, because you know oxtail have to be really tender, so it's not yet finished. So I'm just gonna leave it on a medium heat with my pot covered just for 30 minutes, so stay tuned. So my oxtail, guys, just been cooking just over 1 hour. So now I'm gonna check on it now. So that's what it look like. Looks absolutely delicious, guys, and it's not even finished. So guys, it's still not finished, because you know you want your oxtail to be nice and soft and tender. So I'm gonna check it. So this is what it look like. So it's not fully cooked. So I'm just gonna allow it to cook for another 30 minutes to 25 minutes. But just before that, I'm gonna add some carrot, some chopped carrot, and I'm also gonna add some fresh thyme, some onions, and some scotch bonnet pepper, not a lot, and some more ginger, just to get more flavor. because you know all that water remove all that taste, so I want to add a bit more herbs to it. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoonful of salt, and 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna also add some ketchup. I'm gonna add 2 of this big spoonful. Let's give it a stir. And I'm gonna also add, guys, just a tiny bit of browning, just a bit more browning to it. Oh, I'm just gonna add just a little bit. I'm not gonna add all of it, it's too much. I don't want it too dark. So that's perfect. And I'm gonna also add half a cup of water. Looks so good, guys. Nice and juicy oxtail. Guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of sugar just to balance out the ketchup. But this is totally optional, guys, but it's gonna make a difference, I'm telling you. It's gonna taste so delicious, trust me. You don't need a lot, just 1 spoonful. I'm gonna taste it now. That is good. That is good, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some black pepper. I think it needs some black pepper, so I'm just gonna add some black pepper to it. Around half a teaspoonful of black pepper. And just a bit more salt. Just half a teaspoonful of salt. And you just taste to your likings, you know? Just taste it to your liking. Just make sure your stove is not turned up high, because you don't want your oxtail to burn up. And just make sure you have it at least on a medium heat with your pot covered. So guys, I'll see you back. So guys, my oxtail been cooking for at least 1 hour and 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna check it now. So that's what it look like, guys. Guys, that is finished. That oxtail is finished. I'm gonna check it for you guys and show you. As you can see, it go right through. See it? Nice and tender. This is exactly how you want it. Fall off the bone. Like so. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly add my butter beans. So I'm just gonna give it for at least another 10 minutes and it's ready. It's good to go. It smells so good. Look at that. Even the gravy, it's so thick. This is perfect, guys. This is exactly how you want it. Smell amazing, guys. It looks so good. So good. Nice and juicy. Exactly how I want it. With a lot of gravy. I love gravy. I love a lot of gravy. So see you back, guys. So my oxtail is finally finished, guys, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Look at that. Oh my days. It looks so delicious. Guys, I hope you share this video to your families and to your friends and all over your social media. I will appreciate it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate. Nice and rich, thick, and full of so much flavor. Perfect. So what I'm doing now, I'm just plating up my oxtail. Guys, you can serve it with rice and peas, with plain rice, with mashed potato, with whatever you prefer. But this is how it looks, guys. It smells so good, and I'm telling you, it is so delicious. So I'm just giving you a close-up look of my oxtail. Please share this video to your family, to your friend, and on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for many other videos. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye. Thank you all for watching.